It's about noon on a Saturday. I decided I want some toast and eggs. So we're gonna make like toast sticks. I'm gonna put cheese on the toast, and then I'm gonna make a soft boiled egg, and it's gonna taste great. What you'll need: bread, egg, paprika, black pepper, cheese, Parmesan in this case, or Romano, butter. So the first step is I put these 3 eggs in this pan, and then I filled it with water so that it covers the eggs by about 2 inches or so. Then you're gonna turn this on, and you want it to start to simmer, and then once it simmers, we'll back down that temperature. So right there, we'll back that down. Next up, put a skillet on here, and then turn that to about medium. Then you're gonna take your bread and you're gonna smother butter on it, and then you're gonna add cheese to that. Cheese, spread it on the butter, or spread it on the butter bread, and then you're gonna pat this all down. Well, I need 2 hands, but I'm filming this with 1 hand. Then you're gonna pat this all down, spread it all over, and then flip it, spread more butter on it. Whoa, need 2 hands. Anyway, I'll spread this butter on, and then I'll throw more cheese on top of that. There you go, put that right there. Ooh. Let that start cooking. It's gonna get golden brown. Brown, it said brown funny. And then we'll flip it over. Meanwhile, those are still boiling, or simmering. Time to take these out. There we go. Ooh, there's one. And we have 2. And 3. Oh man, that one cracked. It's all good. There we go. Flip it one more time. Got a little burnt on there, but that's fine with me. Put that over here, and now I gotta cook up the other pieces of toast and get to the eggs, and then we'll cut into those eggs, cut the toast up, and enjoy our bites. To put them in a bowl so it's easier to just grab them, and that's what one of the eggs looks like in the ramekin, and I'm gonna eat it now.